business. This is Wakanda. It was like, this is time to get you.
Ah, yeah. What kind of trees are these? These little ones. You've been here before?
Way back.
When you were younger?
Yeah. It's so neat here.
Yeah, it's nice. Say hi.
Hello.
Every Monday we don't open museum on Mondays.
Okay.
We usually open Tuesday to Sunday.
Okay.
And
Tuesday to Sunday?
Yes.
I didn't know. Okay.
and now under renovation.
Okay.
We cannot information to show the museum. This is a traditional information.
This is where the men gather, right?
Yes,
When do the men gather here?
Especially when there are meetings or events.
This is traditional.
Yes, there's a certain, only men can gather here, right? Yes, women are not allowed to come beside. If they come, it's just by an invite, and then they sit separately from the men. They normally like queue here and then make the fire here. That's where, it's very important to have these.
So this was what year? This is way back when?
Yes, but we still practice this, even in our homes.
Okay.
We have this. And then these are the it's the buffalo horns. I should think so. And this Springbok?
Yes.
Springbok horns. Yeah. One of our traditional houses.
Okay.
Built by mud. With mud. You can just come in.
What kind of plant is this?
Which one?
What's the name of this plant? It's
It's
aloe.
Yeah.
But it has thorns in it.
Yeah. It's aloe.
Okay. And this is one of your traditional homes.
Yes.
Oh, those are the cars.
Yes. I'm heading here now.
But how they are getting about passing like when I get like to no I don't know what to do Monday. Now this is my duty. What's a catalyst over to do Motswana can also outside. What whenever I can have my choir like one walk over here and fever. No. Even though we Francis Town. We have a board. How is the museum? I can open it for you. Now on Monday. Because it's my duty. How go out to school Mutazama was a Miguel or Caro Monday. I can make it to Emma.
Go ahead.
Wow.
So information like this more of it. You can look at look at one.
This is that place over there. This is how they sit. This is how it's done. And then all this you'll see from this side. That's the history of it all.
So this is your president.
And then we used to be called Bechuanaland before it was transformed to Botswana. Bechuanaland.
Aye.
Yes. Before it was. Before our president, the first president in Bots, right? Yeah. He was the first black president to take over.
That's him?
Yeah, that's me.
He's one of the chiefs. Is he one of the chiefs?
No, he was the president, the first president,
Okay.
after the whites.
And his name?
President Kama.
Ah. Seriously, come on. Ah, Botswana. Let's see. Ah, nice.
Bobot's 50. It's our end. Never did it.
No, don't open it.
No, I'm not.
How, I think we would have lived in customer.
Thanks again.
So I think that's the first president over there. The first president in Botswana, the black president. And then it was Sekitumile Masire, the second president. That's the history of Sekitumile Masire. And then Dr. Festus Mogai was the third president. Yes. And then it was Lieutenant General Dr. Zaratzakama Ian Kama, the son to Sekitumile Masire. No, the son to Ian Kama.
Oh, so he's the current president now.
Yes. He's no longer the president now. He just retired
Yeah?
a few weeks back. Yeah, we have a new president now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He's only a week or two old.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good changes?
Not as yet. He just got in.
Ah, I like it.
Dumela, Emma. Emma.
Ah,
But, you know what? Yeah, the little folks are taking to for all along. Where have they been keeping these cars? Where have they been keeping these cars all along?
People say they are from South Africa.
Okay.
So, oral buhulu kana Botswana aga no be Bechuanaland.
Okay.
South Africa le Botswana ni le
Okay, before
so
this.
hora gore be ba hela ba di tlogela go ba tsang di tsa bogologolo tse sa
Okay.
teng di dirisiwa go tsara di modern cars.
Okay.
And ile ha ile gore how se tsa go ga bots 50
Okay.
the government of Botswana ba ile tsa boa ba mo dile ka ga tekwa
Okay.
ba tu bane ba di
Okay.
because when all this is history and by Paul.
Okay. So they've been keeping them all along.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I couldn't go to the museum. When I went to
For museum.
so Botswana I want to the
Okay. Okay.
because what I going to say over big super history I have
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
What she's actually saying is that I was asking her a question: where have these cars been all along? So apparently South Africa and Botswana, it was one nation. That's why it was called Bechuanaland, because it was under whites. And then Botswana fought that right until it separated from South Africa. They split it and then it became Botswana, no longer Bechuanaland. So these cars were in South Africa the whole time, in South African museums. So when they realized that it can be a history that can be told, it can be something that Botswana would like to see, they went back to South Africa, bought these cars from the South Africans and then brought them this side so that people can come and see what was happening back in the days. Because they had to live at that side thinking that maybe it's olden cars they needed modern cars, but now it's history that needs to be told.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Ma.
Wow, we at least need something.
Hey, thank you, Ma. Hona le sengwe ka? Okay, that's it.
Okay. Museum I can inside then.
Oh.
Inside.
Okay. So even on Tuesdays, here's our Botswana map.
So we're here.
Yeah, we here. Somewhere here. Why is a label a khaboron?
Hi, Level.
Where are the diamonds?
The diamonds are here, joining. Shoshong Akerunal. Shoshong, Letlakane, and Orapa. That's where you find the diamonds.
Where is Baski?
The
Baski? Where
or like Quaysons.
where they're from?
Somewhere. Let's see, Kachikao. No, it's not the side. This side. Here.
Wow.
This is where you find the Quaysons.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, this is where the God Must Be Crazy was
Yeah.
created.
They're the
yeah.
original people.
Yes, the original people.
Oh, okay. You drive there, it's a long drive?
Can take maybe a day or so, maybe a few hours.
Ah.
Yeah. And then this is the desert. Like, this is our desert area. All this. And then we have the deltas as well.
Uh-huh. All right.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Very nice. Very peaceful. So Tuesday they're open.
Tuesday, Babula.
No,
Oh, you
They're
don't
construction.
you don't open because we are under
Construct renovation.
Okay. So for now, you only come here
until
to
further
come.
notice.
Okay.
Okay.
And this rock here?
Is the story of the Hiroshima.
The?
The Hiroshima. Now it's
Oh. The history.
China.
They came to visit?
Hiroshima,
The
1990.
atomic bomb stone pledged peace, huh? 1991. Japan. Japan.
And there's a face there. Did you
It's
see?
that's probably the Buddha.
Hiroshima.
So that's they give it as a gift.
Yeah.
Well, you have nice fresh air. You have a great country. Are you happy here? Are you happy
Yes, I'm happy.
with your family? You have children?
Yes.
Oh, I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, Mary.
Emma, really would you let her? Emma.
Thanks, Tutu.
There's yeah. There's a. Oh, you can get that.
fruits here. Watermelons in this little Jamaica, real Africa. Calm. Business Africa. This is Wakanda. And I want to go amazing. It was like, this is not the ghetto.
Oh, what's this? 76, that's not bad. Sounds pretty cincy. So people have parties.
Huh?
They have parties here.
See there.
What did she ask? What did she ask? What did she ask?
Hmm?
What did she ask? He started playing. Miss Tyler, say hello. Say hello. What's your start?
Hello. Hi everybody, this is day, what day is it?
Day 5.
Day 5 of our Botswana cuisine.
That's American.
So, Miss Lou, can you kindly tell us what you're preparing today? What you prepared today?
Today we are having Sam.
Sam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sam and
Okay.
beef stew.
Okay.
And then this is beetroot.
Alright.
Yeah. Then
What's in the stew?
the stew is the vegetables,
Uh-huh.
green pepper, carrot, and onion,
Alright.
and a bit of spice.
And a bit of spices.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not a spice person.
So, Q, being the husband, have you tasted the Sam?
Yeah,
She's allergic to it.
And how's it?
it's very delicious.
Uh-huh.
My wife cooks delicious food always. Delicious meals always.
Really?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's nice. And the way she dishes, it's always appropriate.
Yeah.
Like,
She went to school for this anyway.
are you serious? Tell
Yeah.
us about it.
Yeah, she went in college for this.
Uh-huh.
So she has completed.
So, definitely you don't eat outside.
We do eat out sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Sometimes.
sometimes.
But you like home.
Why will I eat out when I have everything here?
But you like home cooked.
I like when my wife cooks.
Oh, and what are you dishing out there?
This one is corn spinach.
Okay.
I don't want baby. Yeah, I want.
So before even you already eating before anything else. We know that we are the man of the house, but
I know the
but sometimes you just have to wait. Yes, please.
Represent word.
What can you say?
Today was a great day. Just finishing off, topping it off with some cream spinach, rice, and then beef stew and beetroot.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Then we will be going for an interview after this.
Uh-huh.
Then we'll see where it gets us. Maybe we'll have a beer or two.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we'll see what happens. The night is still young, but it's a weeknight.
Alright.
So we'll be an early bed tonight. And you?
Yes, please. I need it.
Yeah.
I need it. That's how our meal looks like. Yes, for the king himself, Ron, you can see the
How can Ron take the king throne?
yes.
Why is he overthrowing the real king?
And then
No,
the
Ron
man
is the
of the
king
house,
throne. I am the king.
The man of the house. Yes.
You get me? I'm the king.
Are you getting something there?
Get some glasses and pour.
That's it. Ronnie, you need some rum?
I think we have some wine. We have wine.
Yeah, I know how it
Yeah,
is.
we've
It
got
is
red
now.
wine.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can come through actually. I think she's done. Yes.
Look, JD, put him on camera, JD. He's always.
Hi, JD. Hello, Bobby.
Yes,
Hi, Bobby.
yes.
You taste and then tell us how it tastes.
I got the Kingfish. Thank you. Hot sauce.
Need some sauce.
Yeah.
It's hard sleeping every day. It's hard sleeping all the time. Just feeling rested. From New York after New York. This is pup.
No, this is
Sam.
It's corn, boiled corn.
Sam.
Yeah.
This is spinach. And this
Spring
is
spinach, beetroot.
you slice up the beetroot and put a little how does it?
Chutney.
You're a master chef.
That's Miss Luke.
Small.
Let's see how you're doing. Where's the wine, my friend?
You need wine? Not juice.
Wine and juice.
Okay.
We are beasts.
So first you start with juice. Then I'll pour the wine for you.
This is Wakanda dinner.
Yes. Ready to lash.
Yes. Thank you for the 99% carrot juice.
99? Why did you leave out the one? Why did you leave out the one, man?
There's something in there
There's
we
carrot
don't know.
juice. Can I see the box?
Yeah. Carrot and pineapple.
Alright. Alright. Last drop. What? Usually I find it too.
Now I have to find the gym. I have to find the gym.
Just there.
That was a rested day.
Looking for beer?
Bush wine.
Let's see. See that glass over there.
Bush wine.
We did good. We started.
That's alive.
Yes, very nice.
Yes. And all that,
Yes.
the juices.
Yes, I'm gonna have wine too.
No, this one you have to chase it with you can chase it with Fanta.
The wine?
No.
No.
You drinking it dry?
Yes.
So I should fill up?
Yes.
That's a no. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Alright. I don't
How
want you
does
to
it
start.
taste?
I don't want you to start speaking in tongues.
Ketchup? Ketchup.
The ketchup.
You want ketchup? Yes.
So how does it taste?
Tastes good. America would love
You
you.
see, a man in the West Indies only eats ketchup, not tomato.
Where's the big one?
The big one, you want the big one? It's good.
The ketchup.
That one's good.
Is it? Don't put it in there.
There's butter ketchup. They don't sell it like this in America, you know? It's kind of like in
This
Jamaica
is
too.
tomato paste actually. Tomato sauce, there's a difference, okay?
Oh? This I like.
We eat ketchup in everything.
That's for my fermentation.
Paula would love
Is it?
it.
Yeah? You ever smell it? That's what you eat with the meat. Oh.
Okay.
And you call this corn what?
It's like what can I say? Processed corn.
You guys never run out of energy.
Did you?
This is good.
This one, when you crush it, is the one that produces the milling. You get me? So in this process, they call it stamp, whatever.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good morning, it's Ronnie in Africa again. I hope you're doing good all over the world. Making some breakfast. You know I'm in Africa, gotta cook for my Africans. I'm doing some eggs. Gonna cook some King Royal breakfast. In Africa right now, we deal with some watermelon, cantaloupe, and eggs, and how's the trip so far? I'm going to get some bread. The trip has been really good. I'm in Botswana right now, and my brethren and my sisters, they're taking good care of me. Africa is amazing. Food here is very cheap, very peaceful in Botswana. This is where I'm going to live. This is where I'm going to retire, get me a piece of land, build my house, and between here and Jamaica, whoa, look at that. Randy's taking care of the Africans with a royal breakfast. We're gonna have some papaya juice, and we're gonna have some eggs, wake up the kangaroo, and take care of the family. Expose them to some tomato. Them really not cook with a lot of tomato. Here, turn the stove down a little bit. I'm gonna deal with the tomato thing, so I'm kind of introducing tomato with eggs to them. And some black pepper and salt. You can put a little bit of seasoning salt in there. You know around here how I do it. Some tomato and some onions. Fry the onions first. This is the royal breakfast. You want to turn on the stove and keep it nice and lovely. So right now in Africa, the vibe, you want to use a wooden spoon at all times. Always use a wooden spoon, never use a spatula. You don't want to scrape the bottom of your pot, and you don't want metal in your food. Sometimes when you're making the eggs, all you have to do is take it off to the side, and so that it doesn't stick that quickly. Let the pot cook the eggs, all right? You don't let the stove cook the eggs. Let the pot cook the eggs. You won't get a burn on your scrambled eggs. Use your wooden spoon and keep on turning. Put your black pepper in there. Now, I'm planning to put a little pepper on the side, spice it up, but I'm not deal with the pepper, so no problem. So you take the pot off the stove, and when you see that it's not cooking it, then you put it back on, get some more heat. That's how you do scrambled egg. You must not keep the pot on the stove. That's the trick to that. All right. I wonder how my people over the world are doing today. I'm in Africa. Randy is traveling the world. Botswana. What's Botswana like? It's like Jamaica when Jamaica was peaceful. What do I wish for Botswana? A lot more books. I went to the library. There's not enough books there. And the people don't read a lot. They drink a lot. And they like a lot of meat. So we go have to educate them a little bit. High level of fibroids in Africa, and you know the Indian them own all the distribution of food. Some things I find inside the food that they're eating when them don't know the juice, they're not really totally natural. What I find is them have a whole heap of thing in the juice. When them now, you see that E331? A lot of things in that juice, them now pay attention. Basically, them are kill off the black people and them not know. So, we from West Indian and thing, and my family is a health family. When we travel and stuff, we use coconut oil. We try to do that. And we check the juice. And even the ones that are close to natural, you find in Africa, when you travel and you're drinking juice, be careful. because these people who control the distribution centers, them no block. So basically, them not care with them sit there. You see tomato. So we're going after another juice here. E300, we need to find out what that is. So we'll liberate the people in Botswana. This is a close to healthy tomato paste, tomato juice, really nice. I'm gonna use the carrot juice for actually use the carrot juice for actually use for my soup. But that E300, we don't know what that's to deal with, so we need to do some Google on that and research that. So, and ketchup really nice, yes, sir. Really love the ketchup quite a bit. But Botswana, man, nice country. You can marry, if you're a Jamaican man, you want to marry into the country, just make sure you check the HIV rate, one of the highest here in the world. Be careful of yourself. But as far as retirement, think about a watermelon. A big watermelon, $1.50 US. Right? To take the taxi, it's like to take it to the youth, them wash the car out on the order, so you know how much you pay them for wash the car? You pay them $5 US a month for washing car every day. This right here is probably really cheap. Everything, food cheap. You know, washing it's cheap. You can pay. You can pay 70. You can pay 70 US a month for one room. 100 US a month. $10 a month for light bill. Yo! $10 a month for light bill. You carry them out 2,800 US, you can get a nice Subaru. Yo, man, tell no Jamaicans. Man and woman, you need to. Man and woman come marry into the culture. You know what I say? This is one of the best moves to Africa. You get yourself a Botswana man and woman, just marry into the culture and start setting up your business. So what kind of business would work here? When you purchase land and build complex of apartments, it won't take a lot of money. And I show you in another video, that's what you do. You buy a piece of land and you start building out place and renting it. You'll get your rent. That's the best way to retire here. Their culture of drinking. So like, if you open up a Jamaican restaurant, in time it will catch on and make it, you know, appointment only. Make some escovis fish and some nice Jamaican dish by appointment and set up a vibe. You can do that. If you set up a club, them will go drink and them will go fight, and then it kind of them like to fight when them drink. So basically, the eggs right now, government run things. Yes, government run things. They run everything. So be careful while you speak out. You have to do the thing subtly. Abortion is illegal. You know, man. So the woman wants some woman rights in other place. So man, I tell all the powerful Jamaican women take a visit. Now, what's the best way to come to Botswana? If you don't want to take the plane, because it's a very small plane. And when me open at the cloud, man, brethren, me say, me have to pray, because me never know me I gonna make it. So you fly from Johannesburg to Botswana. But I think it's a 4-hour bus trip. You can check Airbnb, and my brethren's contact and stuff will be, you can reach out to me and I'll give you some contacts to get here. But people you can trust. But it's best for you to have someone rent a place for you. You can even rent a car. Drive on the left side with your GPS. As far as your phone system, you get a phone that's open and get a lot of data. And your Google Maps, you download your Google Maps locally. All right. So Botswana is definitely the place to have peace and tranquility. Johannesburg has a lot more crime, and I keep saying this over and over. And Cape Town, beautiful and everything, a lot more crime in Cape Town and the poorer sides. And the richer sides of Cape Town, they have a lot of security. So that's why. But when I talk about crime in Africa, I'm not talking about some petty thing, you know. Man, I bring them gun for rob you, you know. Yo, I know drug business in Africa on certain levels, so that's why I'm like Botswana. Nobody now come jack you up with no gun, and the laws are very strict. Marijuana, you smoke the marijuana, you're going to get in trouble when them catch you. So very peaceful. This is Wakanda for me. I'm going to go to the Congo, but it's best to start learning the language. So I'm going to set up a program. They're going to start teaching us the language, and we're going to start buying our land here and integrate into the culture. After my observation through Africa, the best place to integrate into African culture is Botswana. The other places are a little bit on this south side, on this side. Ghana is another great place to integrate. But I know that Botswana, as far as I'm concerned, loving, peaceful, crime-free, food is very cheap. I like the fact that land is cheap now, food is cheap now. So I advise you to take a trip to Johannesburg, then from Johannesburg, be careful. Leave your expensive phone at home, get yourself a cheap phone, and make it open, and you could transfer the chip between US and America, and travel here with your phone, and then open up the data and everything, and get Wi-Fi and download the Google Maps. That's what I strongly recommend. All right, then we'll finish that up with breakfast, and then we come back. That is the scrambled egg breakfast this morning about Botswana. Family's waking up. See what is what. All right, boom. Respect, and love.
Okay.
If I had a Vitamix, I would blend the seeds for you.
Okay.
Humans have a problem with taste.
Okay.
If it don't taste good, them don't like it.
Okay.
So you hide it by blending everything.
Yeah.
And then you take something sweet like pineapple
Mm-hmm.
and bananas, and then you put that in there,
Inside,
and
yeah.
it kill it, make it taste good.
Good, yeah.
Banana and
Okay.
pineapple make everything taste good.
Okay.
Mango. So always blend your seeds, not too much, in what you're doing.
Okay.
If you can eat your skin, eat your skin. If you plant it yourself, wash it good, eat your skin.
Okay.
One of the most important thing for food is right below the skin here. This is the most important thing. Even with avocado,
Yeah,
what is below the skin?
And what you call it? Watermelon.
Yeah. So when you're peeling your thing, you must peel it lightly.
Lightly, yeah. Just
and
top.
just get the top of it
the
off.
top, yeah.
Depending on where you get it from.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it is what is below the skin that has the information.
Yes, the nutrients is on there.
Alright.
Yes, yes.
So you must understand that the most, I tell people, all my fans, the most important thing is your blender.
Yep.
Be a big spender and get a good blender. I said when you get your Vitamix, your wife will be happy.
Yeah.
You see me?
As in very happy.
You will have a happy wife.
All
You will
right.
live a happy life.
Life, correct,
Your
correct.
Vitamix, more important than your car,
Okay.
your Benz and your Beamer.
Yes.
Because
yes.
with your Vitamix, you can show up out the road and say, yo, I have a Vitamix blender. And
Yes.
the girl them say, boy, you're a big spender.
Yeah, yeah, I like that, I like that.
You have a Vitamix, so come over and blend something for you, baby.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
get some tomato, get something and you blend it for her. She say, whoa, you feel good. Let me show you how good me feel too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And when you blend the blueberries and you set her up nice and thing, and she say, yes, me feel good. Let me
Good,
show
yeah.
you how
I
me feel
like
too.
that.
Me feel good.
Yeah, yeah.
So now we blend the thing, see it?
Mm-hmm.
You cut that up and you just eat it every morning and think. So you get your melon for your youth must eat this. You see me? If again I had a vitamin blender, me deal with the seed.
Okay.
And the seed clean you out and thing. And
Mm-hmm.
even the orange, when you blend an orange,
Gotta
you
blend the
peel
seed.
half the orange and leave half the skin on.
On, yes.
Alright?
Get you.
Fix your gum.
Got
Strawberry, the leaf of it, just wash it. Green leaf and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Blend everything out.
Mm-hmm.
You want the body to get used to this information. The body needs information.
Okay.
Part of honey has pollen attached to it.
Of course, yes.
So for anti-allergy, the raw honey,
Honey is extremely good.
raw milk every month.
When you say raw milk, you mean?
No pasteurization.
Okay.
The cow,
Directly from the cow.
directly. So the breast of the cow has something on it when the milk is coming out.
Okay.
It's balanced with nature.
Yes, of course.
So now your body start knowing this thing. So when the allergy come now, but oh, I know what that is. I won't fight against it. So that's why honey and raw milk, just for information and the leaves of things, that's how you fight allergies.
Okay, sir.
And ginger.
Okay, Dr. Randy.
All right. So
Okay,
this is
doctor.
Dr. Ron Naturality, no complexity. But again, the Vitamix blender will cost you about 500 US. But your Benz outside is 30,000.
Get you.
You see me? Your wife about say you know they long enough. Your wife said to your boy, I want a divorce. Because you have a Benz, you have a mansion, and you have a piece of little idiot blender.
Yeah.
But if you be a big spender and get a Vitamix blender, your wife now left you. Your wife very happy.
You know,
Your husband very happy. Your husband very stop and say, whoa, hey, the berry where you're putting in this juice got me going.
All right.
2-3 hours you're there on it.
All right.
I say, stop now. Hey, a good thing we invest in that blender then, no, baby. 55, 56, and different things. All right?
Okay.
Until next time, get the Vitamix blender, be a big spender, and straighten up your thing. And your wife will never go to another man. You know, want your woman to go to another man and look out the road.
Never.
All right?
Never.
Berries.
Yeah.
Vitamix blender. Now let's see some next time.
Peace out.
In Botswana, it's a pretty big mall. So the people here are very peaceful. One of the best places in Africa. Easygoing, cost of living is very low. Met with a minister today, and they're loosening up the business laws here. So, you know, it's different. It's getting there, you know. So I gotta say, I'm very happy to have come here in Botswana. The people are really nice. It's one of the nicest places in Africa. It's so peaceful and easygoing. I got a chance to understand in context, based on the development speed, they kind of keep out the West, and now they're looking to open up a little bit more. So this is probably part of Botswana campus. So I'm quite impressed. The place is very clean. It's not a lot of rush. The weather is around 70 degrees. No one's gonna grab your phone here. No one is begging here. People make salary about 200 US a month, and they manage, and food is pretty cheap. So, you know, so no matter what, they make it happen. So I think that's probably the university campus. Yeah. Beside the game city. It's the university campus. Yeah. Real easygoing people, you know? Real easygoing vibe.
Even the men in the trucks, they're just so relaxed. This is a huge mall. It's called Game City. Gets cold in June, July. That's when they have their winter. That's probably where you can. That's the university youths, you know? Yeah. Next generation. Watermelons in this little Jamaica, real Africa. Calm, business Africa. This is Wakanda. This is not the ghetto. This is Africa. This is Tutu. There's Tutu. Living the African life. It's a half a moon. Oh yeah, I feel good. We're gonna roast some pork tonight. Yeah, and drink some alcohol and some wine. We still have wine, right? This is Tutu.
Hello.
Living the
Hi,
African
everybody.
life. Yes, I can suck in all the air. I rested so much. I've been sleeping all the time in Africa. No.
Just an event, say maybe when an artist is coming from somewhere, it's an open place.
What's the name of this mall?
Malapo Crossing.
Malapa Crossing.
Yeah, Malapo is a river. So there's a
Okay.
river here, as you can feel the breeze.
There's a river here?
Yes. Can you feel the breeze?
There's a running water here.
No,
Well,
there's no, I don't think there's water now.
Wow.
Behind here. Oh, there's one time that you called me, then I was talking, I was with
Yeah,
Ross,
yeah.
and then I showed you the river.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the river. So that's why it's called Malapo Crossing, River Crossing.
Oh,
Yes. So
this is
one of the
nice. This
key
is
events.
very nice.
Yes.
Oh.
They hold events here.
They have events in their language?
Different kinds.
Oh, nice.
Sometimes we have artists from outside coming here performing.
Well, that's beautiful.
It's called Stambik Bank Piazza.
Nice, Malapa. If I'm gonna build a house, it's best to do it in the country. To be away from this and just come in when I need to.
Yeah.
Because living here with all the traffic later on.
I believe in the near future, people are gonna look for jobs where actually houses, depending on where you work.
Okay.
Yeah, because as I look up at things now, it's getting too complicated. Yeah, the traffic, the population. We're a small population, mind you.
Yeah.
So you can imagine when everybody gets a car, how it's
Yeah.
gonna be like.
Yeah.
So we need that.
The car insurance here, what's the cost?
Not everybody insures a car, and not everybody's forced to insure a car.
Forced.
Yeah.
So if you have an accident, who pays for it? The government?
No, you pay for it. And then there's a program. It's called MVA. MVA, it's a motor vehicle accident fund. When you get an accident, they fund you, like literally everything. They take you to hospitals and until you recover Then later on they fix your car half, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's half. You split the costs. So yeah.
So like a Toyota car like that,
Uh-huh.
how much would that go for? Like a little Toyota car, like even this one right here.
It depends on how the damage is.
You know, like the cost for this car.
Uh-huh.
These little cars, how much do they go for?
This little car goes for say maybe 17,000.
Oh. Brand new.
No,
A second-hand.
Second-hand.
And
but
the amount
fresh.
and the amount of mileage on them?
Sometimes it goes up to 75.
75,000. So like, okay.
75. Yeah, 70, 75.
Okay. So what does Choppy Hyper means? It means a bigger store?
Yeah, the biggest store. It closes at turn.
So is it all this building here? It's like a main office.
Yeah.
So something like this would run you like 1,600 US, automatic.
And this one is 19.
19.
Yeah.
The Honda is more expensive.
No, it's cheap.
So that's good. That's
Consider the Honda that much. We
that's a
consider
nice
the-
car. That's a nice car.
Mostly in our country, consider the-
This is Africa right now. I live it up in a 4K. Dance, ladies.
This one is tired.
Tired.
Oh, no dance for show the world. Oh, no dance. And not forget down. So now we find some chicken outside. You see where the nice brown African style. Have the avocado too. Hey, I want to cook the okra, you know. Let me cook my okra with my onion. I want my okra and my beans. Let me do my thing. Let me do my thing.
Do your thing,
Let me do my thing.
Do your thing,
Who
star.
is this? No, I'm scared that chicken that looks nice.
Really want to go try.
High five. Yay. Happy to an marriage. It's one more thing.
Ba bereka maaka nne. We're making KFC. McDonald's, KFC, Nando, Minando. We're making Minando. This is the yard in Botswana. See how big it is? Yes. It's good. Relaxing over there, over the fire. We're making fried chicken, pork, and mealy corn. So yes, this is how we do things in Africa. We eat everything and anything. They comes Ron. He's the master chef today. So yes, he's all excited, cooking almost everything. Indeed, Ron is enjoying his stay here, right? A lot.
He's not going back to New York.
He's not gonna go back to New York, I'm telling you. Ron,
Yeah.
It's gonna be difficult for you to go back to New York. I'm telling you, Africa is so good.
You know, so a vibe we bring in where we go still.
Uh-huh.
Jamaica, the people, wherever we go, we change it now.
Uh-huh.
We do things fast, we run fast, we make fast chicken, and we build quick restaurants all over the world. We create a real good vibe.
Ragged,
You see me, I say? Play music everywhere we go and build a vibe, you see me?
So it's done.
Not yet, man, we're going to cook it with some okra and things. So right now we make the rest of the chicken. You see me? We get the meat to one another pot.
Yeah.
We're cooking for all the children over the world, you know? We're like Jesus right now.
But you left a piece for my
And
bride?
that's the host right there.
Alright, star.
That's the host in Africa and the son, Q and baby JD.
Say hi.
That's
Say
the
hi, New
host.
York. Hi, New York, New York.
Anytime you wanna come to Africa, visit those. That's Mr. and Mrs. Damon and little Damon. Yeah.
Kiss, kiss.
Yeah.
Mwah. Kiss again. Mwah.
This is Africa.
Uh-huh.
This is Africa. Botswana. Very peaceful. Food is very cheap. The people are good. You cook outside all day, all night. You know what I say? Good family. Link up with Q. All you have to do is fly to Johannesburg.
Yeah. True that.
Make sure you
True
get
that.
a phone that you don't need.
Yeah, in case it gets stolen.
Right? But get an international open phone for like $70 in the state or $100.
Yeah.
Then get the chip, and then you go to Johannesburg, and then you take a bus. Don't take the plane to Botswana, it's very small. That plane will be shaking in the cloud.
Yeah.
You might not make it.
You might not make it. Yeah.
Then you drive 4 hours and you come to Botswana. You spend $70 for the whole month or for the 2 weeks to rent a place. Then you call Q, tell them you reach. So we get you a
Yeah.
room for 70 US, fenced up nice and everything good. And then Q go and bring you to the supermarket. You can cook at Q in the night.
No problem.
Then you go back
no
to your
problem,
yard.
No problem.
There's no Uber here,
No problem.
right?
Yeah.
So you come, you drive around, rent your car. It's $15 a day. Drive on the left side and hold your vibe on. You can go to other lodges if you want, Lesser Mall, and just chill and relax. Take in the vibe, or go to restaurants, it's cheap. Everything good. Just come to Africa. This is Wakanda forever.
Peace.
See there? That's Africa time.
little piece of wing for me.
You got some.
Oh,
you got
this
some.
boy.
No, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go cut off a couple of pork fat and throw it in there, so. And leave it in there, so. And if I had some fly plantain, would I go crazy with that? We got some sliced pineapples on the side for the dinner. We got the okra and we'll cook the okra first. Then we're gonna put the peas in it.
Okay, right, Paneto.
Yep, I have a pot ready. Right? And then cook the okra and the peas in it with onions.
Oh boy.
Yeah?
Oh boy.
It's nice.
There
You
we
prepare
go.
everything. You put, and then you put the chicken and mix it up in it.
Oh boy.
And then you put the corn back on the grill and you bring the pork out. The pork out is till later with the drink. The pork is kind of like fake
Lay back. Yeah.
when you cool down and your belly nice. Yeah?
I get you.
And you roll up some things and you just deal with it. And watch out for Babylon, because Babylon will sell you go jail for a whole year.
Babylon today. You know got Babylon.
See there? At the light. No, for the firewood you pay $2 US for the firewood. Chicken is $8 for 2 chicken. $4 a piece. Nice. The corn them, like 30 cents per corn. So you're good. Yeah. To the Jeep them there. We'll go hunting later. Watch my phone over the fire.
Yeah.
Tutu.
Yeah, I'm careful, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see the vibe nice with the chicken. Is the Almighty to say y'all go buy some chicken. Yes.
See how the fire is
Alright.
blending up nicely now?
Put a piece of pork and get another pan.
What you guys gonna have to say? Selfie time.
What did you say?
What you guys gonna have to say? Since you are the host, say something.
Say something, baby.
No,
I did a lot of talking.
no, it's your turn.
I did a lot of
Okay, what
talking.
can I say? We are so excited to have Ron around. He's a cool, very cool person. So, no stress in the world, easy to flow, flexible.
He eats a lot.
Yo! Don't say that.
I didn't say that.
No, you didn't. Yeah.
And he
So-
cooks a lot.
And he cooks a lot and
Delicious food.
and sleeps a lot.
Delicious
So love him around, so we really gonna miss him when he leaves. We hope to see him soon, and we hope to see other Jamaicans visiting us very soon.
Do you agree, Mr. Damon?
Yeah, I did.
And where are you from, by the way?
Me.
Next to the Jamaicans, huh?
No. I'm from New York.
He's from Guyana.
Okay, represent. I'm from GT Guyana. Representing. Yeah. All the way. Yeah. So we are enjoying the West Indian thing. It's called the West Indian or the Caribbean thing.
Yeah.
The Caribbean. Yeah. Soon my wife will be down there. She'll be also feeling the vibe. And she'll be representing Botswana, the African thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be Miss Africa.
JD
I'm probably sure that I'll be the first
JD is
Muslim to be
African-American.
in Guyana.
Yeah. JD is African American.
Yeah, half.
Half, yeah.
Jay, you agree?
Say yeah.
Jay,
And show them I got game. I got from Palo, Nike,
Yeah, he got this from
the Big Brother.
the big brother Paulo Tutu's son.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, still it's not fitting him, so he likes it. So everywhere we go, he's carrying it around.
Say bye.
bye.
Say
Bye.
thank you,
Bye.
thank you.
Africa right now doing some cooking down. And full of vibe right now in Africa, Botswana. We got our pork. We got our pork skin right in there. We got the okra, carrots, onions. We got the butter beans, with pork beans. And some chicken done fry. We'll make a side sauce right there, so with some fried pork in there. And slice up okra, nice and thick. And make that bubble. And we got some corn. We're going to throw some corn right now up on the grill for the Africans them. Meat. Warm up a corn. Look at Jamaica where I deal with it. In Africa. Got the pork on the side. You see me? That's how we live in Africa. Yeah. So you fry your chicken, you got your beans, your okra, and you put the chicken and you make the chicken just dive in it. Get some pineapples to cut up at the side of it. You know me, I say your chicken soaking of that and stain of that. Run upon the thing. Yeah? And you take that off the fire, leave the chicken in there. Turn your corn and everything. So we'll live. So we'll live. Right? Okra, fried chicken, pork skin, yeah? And some beans. When you eat that, life. He better come do his thing. He need to come take care of his thing.
Kwame! Your chicken is burning out here. Oh boy. Bring us some bells this side.
Well, that's the pork fat. It's the oil. cooking up some. This is Rude Boy Run. I got the chicken hiding in the pan, hiding in the African pan. The Rude Boy Run, me roast the pork. You know see me do it, I ain't no joke. I roast the corn, you know see me bad. Come from Jamaica with the yum yum. We have the sweet pineapple in the plate and Miss Rasta. We in Africa, I live on the coast of my Lord. We must come to Botswana, man. Come eat some of this. Watch out now. Get a little plate, my youth. Then you take up the chicken and hide in that. Yo, 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 yo. $1 million plate that. Yeah. Good morning, welcome to the African Run. It's yours truly, man called Randy, on the African journey in Botswana right now. Everybody living the life. Africa never been this amazing. In one of the central part of Africa right now, Botswana. Yes, 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 I made it to Wakanda. Wakanda forever. Yeah. Peace and tranquility. No stress. You know, everything easy. Everything nice. Different people and Indian, Chinese, African, I do them thing. So they run this morning, see the stretch there. Yeah, the Wakandians, them a live, see them a move and just live, you know. So them a live, you know. So them live life. Yes. Wakandians them. I live. Africa. Look on it, Jaja, Africa. I see them on a rolling and this easy. You see that? It's a road. Peace and tranquility. No stress. Yeah, peace and happiness. See there? Botswana. Like this. On them I weed them grass, keep the place clean. They work. And they sit to pay them $50 a month. But them work, huh? This is Africa. This is it. It's a long run this morning, just a nice walk. Keep going further and further. That's what the top said. Yeah. No crime. Botswana is easy. Easy. Family. People doing their thing. Cost of living is low. For now. It's just in Botswana, and let's say some areas in Cape Town is safe. Johannesburg is getting kind of crazy. Even the ghetto here is clean. So Botswana is easy going, you know. Night is coming. You could sit out here all night. No stress. So I like Botswana because how peaceful it is, you know. Come back in. This is Tutu.
First lesson and I'm doing so good. So Jamaica, watch this space. I'm coming for you all the way from Africa, representing Botswana.
Dumpling power.
Yes.
She's making dumplings for the soup. That's Papa and Mama. Why don't you no need to press anything. So we're making dumplings. I'm sharing the culture again, Jamaicans. I should put on a good shirt. And this is the carrot juice. Right? This is my new found carrot juice. Has a little bit of chemical in here, but this is Tutu. And she made all this dumpling, yeah? Here's Mama and Papa.
It is so hard as a rock. Not so soft, but so hard as a rock. So we'll be going to the pot to dip this inside, because they gotta dip under the water. And then we serve with chicken feet. Yes, they're ready to go in. They are ready to go in. Come with me. Let me go start. Let's start dipping this in. Like this. Yes. So as you can see, we are dipping this in. Dipping in. There you go. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Here, he just put in some carrot juice. That's why it looks so orange. Yeah. Going in. Going in. Yes. Working hard, yo. Working hard.
So we have two sets of meats here. We got beef and chicken foot. We got carrot juice. We got pumpkins. 3/3 of the pumpkins.
Sweet potato.
We got sweet potato. The pot looks a little full. We need a bigger pot. Because we're serious about the food, yeah? Papa is there. And Mama is there. So we put sweet potato in there now. We got some cocoa in there too. But this pot, I know it's probably gonna come over. Yeah, man. We got get the dumpling in there. Put some more salt in there. And we got the scallion to put in there later. So now we probably have to take out some of the water.
Done. So the dumpling is inside. We wait for it to boil. Same time with this. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna you didn't do any sweet potato, any Irish potato yet. So here's what's gonna happen. Big pot, we might have to take up this other pot here. It's just that we run out, we have too much liquid. Right, Tutu?
Yeah.
And I wanted to cook some sweet potato too, some Irish potato, but we're running out
Space.
yeah, man. But we don't want to throw this away. So we take take out some of the liquid. Next time we're going to buy a bigger pot, because you know in Jamaica we cook big. I want to cook the African loaf. This is the African loaf pot. A combination of Jamaican style and African style. Alright. So we need some Irish potato too.
You need some Irish potato?
We're gonna get this cocoa. We're gonna cut up the scallion and put it in there for the seasoning. Now we're gonna, at the end, we put the black pepper in there. At the end. This we bought at the store, carrot juice, in our soup, So we put this in there, add some color and flavor. This is cocoa. JD. This is cocoa. So we could buy cocoa here in Africa, so Jamaica, no worry, no. The only thing that's different here, that's not in Jamaica. Jamaica has the big sugar cane. They have small sugar cane here. Everything else they have here. I haven't seen the plantain yet. Plantains.
They do have, huh?
We do have it in Choppies.
So we get some plantains, we make some plantain porridge. I see the bananas, everything them have. Except the sugar cane. Pineapple is very sweet here. And the food is very cheap here. Botswana is 9 out of 10 one of the best African countries. Botswana, yeah. So Jamaicans, all we have to do is to come here and cook for them. You have a limited variety of style of cooking, right? Are you agree with that?
Yeah.
Give me some of your dishes. Like, what are some of the things you cook a lot? Like,
Mostly we cook pap.
pap is cornmeal, white cornmeal.
Yeah. Pap, morogo, like vegetable, and meat. Then secondly, it's samp mixed with beans. Beans, like black eyed beans. We call that the kobe. Yes. And the other thing is bukobe. Bukobe, we do mix it with sour milk. If you want to eat it with something salty, we mix it with sour milk. Or we can do plain bukobe, then we can eat it with milk. Yeah. So those are mainly our dishes that we normally have, like in most of the houses they eat them like every day. Yeah.
So that's 5 variations.
Yep.
So for breakfast, what do you eat?
For breakfast we normally have porridge. Or we can just take bread and tea. That's all.
Bread and tea?
Yeah. But nowadays, since we are in the modern days, they do take some cornflakes and cereals and the other thing. But when we go back to the village, we know
Can you film
definitely.
her saying this for me? We want to know the variety. All right, Papa. See, you know, super good with that bubble. So we're talking about the variety of food with Lou, I call her, but your real name is?
It's lumo. It's a fruit, like I said.
Lungo.
Yeah. Good.
And she's talking about, so they do like 5 variety of food, and for breakfast like 3? Like,
Yeah. Breakfast is porridge, bread and tea, or cereals.
and what else?
That's all.
So Jamaicans, that's what we need to be here. We can help them to change up the style,
Yeah.
you know, and give them a wider variety
Yeah.
and exchange that culture with them. So Jamaicans, when you come here and you open up a restaurant, you will be extremely wealthy
Yeah.
because they've never tasted certain things. Here comes the loser man. Point the camera on him. There's a loser right there.
Yeah.
The worthless one.
That was a bit.
So what is man?
All right, so
We'll come back later with the cooking. So
Alright.
we're going to help. I call her Lou
Yeah.
to cook different things.
Yeah.
Alright?
Then we need to stop eating porridge, eh? Because porridge is giving us big stomach as well. So we need to, yeah, we need to cut
Yeah.
down. Cut down on
Plantain porridge, banana porridge, cornmeal porridge. We could try different kind of cereal and little eggs with plantains in the morning, right?
Yeah.
And what else do we eat in Jamaica? Just some mint tea, slice of bread.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah. To another level.
Bye.
Cheese.
Peace. You're looking at the Jamaican pot, African love, yeah? See, chicken foot, beef, pumpkin, carrot, flour, corn, sweet potato, cocoa, and no Irish potato yet, thyme.
You put it up right there?
Oh no! Oh, you see,
No, it can't do without okra.
No, today no. Today no.
Why?
tell the world to come to Africa. Go ahead.
We want. No, wait. Go to
Okay, you know what we do?
meat
Let's just
again.
put in like 6-7
Yeah,
okra for bile food. We sell. The
meat
whole
again.
one, we bust it in half.
Why she don't want okra?
Meat again.
She love that.
What?
She love it. Put in like 10 for me and you just me. The whole one, right? Whole one.
Papa?
Hello, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Hello, New York. We want you all to come here to visit us. Here, we are a nice and big family. We love people. Love my son, the only son.
One and only representing.
The only son.
Yeah.
But we welcome everybody, everyone. Jamaica, New York, Jamaica, New York. Come. You're welcome. Me and Dad, we love visitors. Me and Dad, we love visitors. So whoever wants to visit here, he will ask
At least he has a 15
Uncle
minutes
Ron. He can ask Ron. Ron will tell
But
him.
this year's been Mr. Taste is not 15 now, we got it finally.
Yes.
African Botswana.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Please.
Thank you so much.
We love you. We love you.
Yes, yes. See, this is the loving pot from Jamaica, straight to Africa. Yeah, we're cooking up some love for them. And then
We love to eat.
we have the princess over here.
The two princesses.
The two princesses over there.
With our king.
With their kids.
Yes. Thank you so much for inviting us to your home.
Welcome,
Thank
brother.
you so much.
Come
We
again.
still need other families to come.
Come
Yeah.
again.
Welcome to our visit.
Welcome.
You're
Yes.
welcome. them.
Yes.
Welcome, brother.
Thanks
All right,
for
make a
that.
season life in Botswana. Randy presenting Jamaica to the family of Africa. So me I represent. Me not joke with them, you know. I give them love and life and everything. Put some onion in there. Like a throw with skeleton in there. You know.
Okay, 1 second.
And Q, I put some more okra in it.
Let me wash it up first, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna live the life, you know. Tomorrow we're going to plant some tree. And Randy going to plant some trees in Africa.
Represent.
And every year I go watch the tree them grow, with the fruits them for each and every one on the Jamaican we are going to represent. And then one can come and we're going to build a nice tent on the land,
Yeah, man.
couple bunk beds, and one going to
This
sleep.
one bubbling up nicely.
Is that bubble up nice?
Yeah, bubbling up nice.
Bubble up, trouble up.
Rub it up style. Yeah, man.
I chose some okra in there for the youth them, but
Yeah.
you know,
Nah,
nice.
them youth not going to talk, bro. Them will cry their life.
Alright, good. Make that bubble. See the big trouble pot here.
Yeah.
So
it
we are
bubble like
living,
a trouble.
living,
It's not the double.
family thing, you know, family thing. Jamaica to Africa, so we do it. Get some light on this, my big man. Get some light on it. Get some light. We have to show the world. Get some light. Come now, get some light.
Well, I know that style. We love the boss. We love the boss. Like the boss. Yeah, here's your light.
Yes. Hygiene and sister all over the world. This is love from Jamaica to Africa. See how we are doing big? I mean, when you talk about money and wealth and love, right there, sir. Right there, sir. Eh? And that is love.
Good health, good
It's
wealth.
cheap, you know. The
Yeah,
okra them
man.
was like for $1 for the whole pack.
Yeah.
Can't
Of course,
cheap,
yeah.
like 30 cents. It's cheap.
Unbelievable.
You know what I say? Wakanda forever. Look here. Hey, we just have a team up with an African family.
Yeah.
Just you guys don't do things on your own no more. Africa is about unity and family and community. You're not supposed to come try buy land food. And we'll put some beef in it too.
Alright.
We got some cocoa. We got corn, we got dumpling, we got
You're shying some chicken in there.
we got chicken, we want chicken in there, and we got okra in there too. And this is a love African pot. I'm gonna put the skeleton in little later, but we're gonna put it in there now.
Tap it off.
And make it tap it off, and we got to cut up the pepper in it.
Alright.
And this pot is for the little picnic them.
Yeah, this is a little bit more.
So we look at them off the cook out.
I love nice.
See them nice, I make them cook it out. And make them cook out, and then we can get them.
You put a duff in it for them little
A
picnic
little
too?
dumpling, put a one dumpling.
Nah,
No.
they can't get
They
dumpling.
can't get dumpling.
No, they can't get a sweet boy.
Yeah. I should have put some more okra in there to make it solid for them, you know?
No, they got no.
And then we take out the okra and we eat it. We should have hide the okra enough for them. Alright, make us stop clear on the food and make the food cook. Alright, love, peace and honor, life and everything. This is what you call wealth. Family, food and love.
Nice family.
Family, good morning. This is Chef Ronnie in Africa again. This morning what we're doing is something very simple. Good morning, my dear. Sit in that house.
Morning.
This is Chef Ron on the family in Africa. Turn it the other way, big man. Yeah, something very simple this morning. Black pepper and salt, eggs beat up in the thing, right? Something very cheap. You know that this is potato, fried potato, simple, right? So you cut the potato very slim, yeah? Simple thing, yeah? Cheap potato. Put the potato in the egg and then mix it around a little. Hide it in there, get it wet. The pot is already hot, right? Throw it in the pot, that's it. So that this is something really nice. You don't need bread. Oh, there you go. That fry up in there. And that is it, my dear. So you can mix up the breakfast a little bit. And the eggs in there, see that? And you make a potato. This is good for energy for the husband and the wife to get out to work. Because you're giving natural carb. Nothing is processed here. This is no processed food. This is natural food. The egg come from the farm. The potato come from the ground. And you let it cook in there. That's it. Well, I'm gonna try that, but this one will fry without the eggs. It's better probably fry it without the eggs. This is nice. You wanna taste this one, sir? Taste this. Tastes good. Some salt on that one. No salt was on that one. But you can feel the crunch in the middle.
Yeah, man.
It's not totally raw, but it's not totally cooked. You get a little crunch on it. Feel good?
I will.
So that's this morning breakfast. Turn it around. Make the oil cook it. And then you have some beautiful pancake sweet potato.
I will.
Easy thing.
I will.
Easy thing.
That's good.
You see that? Eat
Yeah.
that with your breakfast to feel good, Sam.
I will.
Simple thing. Go work,
Together?
make some tea, you're good.
See?
So what was you think about the soup last night?
Ah, the soup there, I will. But you got last summer.
Wife, what do you think about the soup last night?
It was delicious. Delicious.
Off the hook.
Did Jamaica make an impact?
Yeah, man.
Slice the potato papa in your plate. Eat your papa raw. Of course, papa raw, but
Early morning like this.
early morning, eat your breakfast. You must have a piece of fruit with your potato, with your eggs, and drink some bush tea. You need to plant some lemongrass tea.
Yes, sir.
Cause them have no bush on yourself.
Yes.
You represent West Indian and me ask them, where the bush there? Them say them not the bush.
Yes, sir.
So it better not put the egg on it, cause the egg burn quick. Just do the potato.
That done, take down.
No, man,
You have to turn it.
Yeah.
But you don't want it overcooked, you know.
Reduce the heat.
Well, I feel it tonight. It look like, you see, when I cook it by itself, and the egg burn quick, so be careful. You can put the egg on it after, if you want.
Which means you can reduce the heat.
So I'm gonna get the raw one without the eggs, because the egg burn quick. You might have to fry them first.
No, even if you put with the egg,
See
it's
this?
alright.
This now needs to cook with some more oil. It needs to cook like how we cook the chicken. Put oil on it and slow cook it. So it have to cook, not fry. It have to cook. That's why it have to be slim. Yeah? These were not too slim. When we like how it tastes, it have a kind of
Right, it is.
punch in the middle. Your body process that carb. Your body. Damn shit is sweet, man. Check it out, man. Damn thing is sweet too. If you can't get breadfruit.
This one come in good.
Yeah. Yeah. This is 100% energy. When you go to work, so if you don't have bread, potato, you don't have to always eat bread. This is more natural. This can't kill you. When the body eats it, the body say, yo, I know what this is. Bread, the body say, boy, this is complex carb.
Okay.
You good, Mama? No. Yeah, so no egg. You can taste the one with the egg. This one don't cook, but still, man and man, you taste the crunch. Hey, yo, that was you. When I fried, they want to put on the egg. I don't throw on the pot. No. We're fried. Put on the egg, then throw it back in the pot. You know what? Taste that with the egg on it.
It was a sample.
When you're in Africa, you have to try things. Kind of. The egg gives a little. You feel it.
I get it.
But you want to cook first. Yeah, man. Yes, yes. Yes, that's right. So you fry first. We're improvised today in the kitchen this morning. Make it slow fry. Check that. Check that thing.
Yeah, man.
You slow fry, then you check it. Throw the egg.
Yeah,
Throw it
man.
back in there real quick. Check it down. And then you get that kind of crunch. The kind of the egg rapid brown. You get that kind of. Very good. Jamaica, I saw live Africa, right? Yeah, for African family, give thanks for life. accent. Watermelon is little Jamaica, real Africa. Calm. Business Africa. This is Wakanda. This is not the ghetto.
It is Ronnie again. We're gonna plant some trees today at one of the villages. So we got a mango tree. This is how it works in Africa. Let's go. Yes. Bye, Mom. Thank you. Yeah. Bye, Betty. Africa and trees. Hi, Ron.
Yeah. One tree.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then you make a statement.
That's how you start, you know?
Uh-huh.
One tree. Take care of it.
Then we'll be going to the field.
Oh, yes. This is amazing. It's a nice little stretch from the city. Nice stretch from the city. Red dirt. We're going to Papa's. Very nice. This is just like Jamaica. See, we have our tree
I was
mama.
asking myself.
Re kopane le bo mama tlanke ka hale ba rekisa ditlhare.
Nearby,
The choppies budi.
I thought you were talking about, you know what, immediately when passing me.
Simple.
That's why I saw
ABC.
some trees there. Then I said, ooh, maybe they're going to get something. on
Mama,
the road.
ABC, tree, fork, plant.
Once.
Then,
Do you remember this on your pictures, on the pictures that took to them?
yeah, this is.
You
where,
remember this place?
So this is where you
One of
guys
the places that Tutu
Yeah.
recorded. He started from the Latrine Twilight and
Could I see? Can you bring me this? Show me the.
this is Nathan, Papa's nephews.
Okay.
His Papa, all of them is Papa's nephews. So just go around, don't worry.
No.
What
Come, show me.
people, and you have to group that. But
Oh.
even them, you have to video them. Those are Papa's nephews, starting from this one.
So you say, "Do me long, ma."
Hey, that's how you say it. In the camera.
Say, "Do me long, ma."
Papa's nephew.
Nice to meet you.
All of them, they are Papa's nephews.
Yeah. Do me long, ma.
Part of the family. Papa's nephew.
Hale.
Do me long, bro.
It's a little
Hate neema o ile ko bona. Hate neema o ile ko bona. We walk
What's
to the
that?
field.
Are we gonna walk?
Yeah. These are all.
Let's go check out this cactus.
Which one?
There's this big Cactus back. I'm thinking about this.
Mama Mutse. Where? Let's go about la hook my peki. Can I get peki? Is it king? What's that? Eh.
Oh, this is what you did?
Yes.
This is how long it took you to get here, Tutu?
No, I actually did it and then I sent. And then this is our Satana kitchen. We prepare the fire. These are the pots, three-legged pots. We do this here.
How often do you guys come here? How often do you come here?
Normally every weekend.
Yeah?
This is the biggest pot that you can get.
This is the biggest pot?
The biggest, yeah.
With wood and stuff?
Huh? It's the biggest.
We should borrow this.
And then what are you gonna do with it?
Goat head soup. Goat head soup. Film me.
Yes. So are you gonna use that to cook soup with it?
Take a picture. In the pot.
Are you gonna cook that with soup? See how big it is?
Take a picture. Hit the white button.
Yes, I want to take it from this angle. It's a size 30
This is the pot I want.
for your soup.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
This is where I like it here.
Mm-hmm.
This is nice. The country.
Welcome to the village.
Doggy dog. The blocks are pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Doggy dog.
One of the transportations.
Doggy.
One of the transportations. And that's the bathroom, the toilet.
Take pictures. You can press the white button.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come take a picture. So great. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
This is the real Africa, yeah?
Yeah. Yes. Africa loading.
Yeah. Look at all of this.
So we're gonna cut a leaf there, and we take home. You blend something for me.
Yeah, my mother, take a picture. My mother would love to see this.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to buy my own land with you,
Mm-hmm.
and then we build the house.
Mm.
We could build. If I buy this land and build little Caribbean here,
Mm-hmm.
they'll all come.
Yeah.
Rooster.
Careful.
Come, rooster. He's a bad rooster?
Sometimes they strike. If they think maybe you want to snap them and, slaughter them, they freak out and then they fight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Welcome. You're not welcoming to Africa? Do you want me to chase you down and grab you? Huh? I'm the punk rooster. I'm the real rooster.
Uh-huh.
You want me to chase you down, rooster? I come all this way and you're not going to say hello? No hello? No, Pablo. Don't chase the rooster. Pablo. Oh, so they have the steel to build the tops, huh?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And that's already pre-made. Come, Pablo.
What?
They have the door inches, huh?
Yeah, these are the door frames. These are the door
Around
frames.
here is pretty safe, right?
Yes, a lot. Look at that. One of the old houses and the door. It's amazing here. There's too much peace, and then you can actually feel it
Yeah, it's
when you're
easy.
here. It's quiet.
What's over there? What do they do there?
I think they made some plants or something, so they're trying to protect it from insects and other things.
Wow.
Yes. There are trees under there.
Yeah, this is probably Africa now.
Mm-hmm.
This is the place. Follow, come. Uh-oh. There's your white Jesus all the way here. I saw him.
Mm-hmm.
So when it rains, it's really,
It gets
Wet.
too much wet.
it gets wet, a lot of water.
You know this? Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, eh?
Yeah. It grows like this.
Yeah. But when it rains, it's a lot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Yeah.
Ronnie's in Africa. They're playing soccer.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Follow. Look at the goats. They also go out and
Yes. Then later on,
they're coming home by themselves.
yeah.
So I can GPS this.
Mm-hmm. No, I don't know if it
Yeah. I
Really?
could drop a pin.
Uh-huh.
I could come right back here.
Uh-huh. On your own, yes. Very simple actually, and it's a straight road.
It's a pin. Once I get my pin. What do you call this place?
Hakuto.
Pakuto.
Hakuto. G-A-K-U-T-O. Hakuto.
Hakuto.
Yes.
Goats are pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
They line up and they go back home.
Yeah.
There's a leader goat. There's always a leader goat.
Yeah, there's that leader goat that actually leads them there.
Let me see.
A goat.
Leader goat.
There's that leader goat.
So you didn't grow up around here, right?
Mm-mm. We didn't. We just come by visiting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And some of these places we find them when we are grown up like this. As we were young, mostly we were just being stuck in town there, never experiencing the village life.
Oh,
And it's so nice, eh? Those are one of the crawls.
the what?
The crawls where these boats will be going in later on today.
Oh, into those bushes?
The crawl.
They like a fence. They go in
Yes.
there and they stay in there.
Uh-huh. They go in there, they stay
How
in
much
there.
is a car like this?
A car like this? Maybe.
$3,800? Are you kidding me?
Toyota Harrier.
So their Toyota is very cheap.
Yeah.
Come to daddy. I'm gonna have some goat soup tonight. At least the goats come to greet me.
Papi, don't chase them away.
Puppy, leave the goats.
They're gonna fight now.
Wow, $3,800. That's about
Yes.
20,000 miles on that.
Uh-huh. That's what we deal with like every day.
Because the Toyota, they're all over the place. So it's best to buy a Toyota. All right, Jamaicans. Jamaicans?
Toyota is the best car to buy in our country.
Yeah?
The
Because they're
best.
cheap.
Very cheap
Low
and
mile.
affordable in terms of maintenance, parts, and fuel consumption.
Okay, so here's the thing, Jamaicans. You have to buy land with a local to have it happen quickly. 5,000 US is not going to kill you. So you team up with a local, get a piece of land, start build your house, retire, done.
Then you're done.
You
And
stay,
if you have
and you can
this-
stay for 90 days every year, right? Just get a little house. It's not you're not doing this to be rich.
No,
you do.
you're not. And mind you, back in the days when you had these like cows and goats, you were considered very rich.
Yeah.
Very rich because one of these is 1,000 plus, 1,000 plus, 100 and something.
Yeah, this is so nice. It's so nice. I feel different now being here.
Uh-huh.
You know?
You cannot feel the traffic.
Yeah.
Thing. Huh? Where is the car?
Is that?
It's not coming. Let's go to the crossing.
So this is cool. 5,000 euros, you get like an acre or even more.
Uh-huh.
And then you buy it in somebody's name. You get it quickly.
Yeah.
Then you build a little home on it, get a water catchment on the top, right? Plant your garden
Yeah.
and retire
And
90 days every year. You could stay there. If you want, you could marry into the culture and get it in your name.
yes.
So you could marry a lady or a guy and get it in your name. So for $5,000 and you build one room on it with a water catchment, another 5,000. You're watch your step.
Come on.
You're in Africa.
Uh-huh.
Simple and very safe Botswana.
Uh-huh.
So I could easily build a camp here for all my Jamaicans. Little Jamaica.
Little Jamaica.
This was the plan. This was the dream, Tutu.
Huh?
We're gonna build a dome first
Yes.
and have the Zion Fest here,
Uh-huh.
right? The Zion Festival
Yes.
with speakers at a big geodesic dome.
This is the water drainage for the goats to come and drink here. They put water there or food. Sam, can you hear the smell?
The goat smell.
It's so different.
Ah, look at the fence. Nobody's leaving here. So they're gonna come here themselves.
Yes. And it's time for them to actually start coming.
No, this house is for the cows.
It's for the cows or the goats.
Oh, look at you, Papa. You have a ladybug on you. Look at the ladybug.
Oh, it flew away.
Yeah, I'm free. Yeah, everybody.
For you.
Everybody, simple. I could build my own house. You see that little house there? I'm just gonna build something, all windows around. All big windows around. So this land is owned by someone.
Yeah. It's somebody's, yeah. He'll probably be coming this side to come and
Yeah,
stay here.
I don't want the city life. I don't want to be nowhere around the city. You know how much food you could I could plant here?
Yeah.
My family would go crazy with this. They would go crazy. My aunts would stay here 90 days out of the year. Wait till they see this video.
Africa.
Yeah, man. Just buy a piece of land and you can build your house on it too. It's freedom. You plant your own food. You get your light bill is like 10 US for your light bill? 10 per month, right? $10 per month. This is the best place to retire. Right here. $10 a month for light. Your car, there's no car insurance, right?
No.
And your car is 3,800. I have a friend on Facebook. He says, think about Africa. I'm like, dude, you want to get closer into the country because it's just, you could breathe. It's peaceful.
Yeah, you stop. You stop. You look. Where? What do? You look.
There.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And then you cross. When the car is not coming, right?
So you could spend summers here with your family. This is nice. I like it. I like it.
You like it, yeah?
Yeah, start the Zion Festival here.
So you're gonna see the fun part of it from that other angle there.
Oh.
Fun of it. A very big land.
For your
Yes. Uh-huh.
your father, he has a big land, like 20 acres, 20 hectare.
It's very big.
That's where we could have the big Zion party.
That's where we're gonna plant the tree today.
Yes? We could build a big white dome there and have a Zion fest. Everybody from all over the world comes, huh?
Uh-huh.
Generators with speakers.
Yeah, it's the friend.
Oh man. Oh, those are his friends?
Yeah, those are his friends. See how they're running. Huggy! Huggy! Can you believe the dial? That one is older than Asa actually.
Yeah.
The smaller one. Hi Neymar. Our neighbor. Hello. Hello. Hi Neymar. Hi. How are you? What? How does it?
Yeah.
Don't fall, be careful.
Wow. This is great. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. City has different vibe already. You know, the country has a different vibe, you know?
If you notice, almost every yard here has got like a hut.
A hut.
Most of the yards here, they must have that particular house.
The hut, circular.
Yes.
And it's tradition. They keep their tradition in there.
Even if it's old, like
So they build the houses themselves. They don't need a floor plan, no architect.
no. They can even build it with mud. They collect mud and then cow dung. They mix the two together. No cement, just mud and cow dung, and then they mix the two together.
So how do they catch the water?
They go to the rivers.
To get water?
Yeah.
In their cars? So an our rain on the rooftop, they don't have
And then on the rooftop, say maybe when they build in a way that the water will
Run from the
literally
roof
run from the roof
into
and
the
then they
catchment.
collect. Yes.
Yeah.
There
Are they?
containers that they put
They
there.
could buy water in the city?
Yes, if you noticed when we were passing, there were cars that were packed with big tanks.
Yeah.
That's where they buy the waters from.
Cheap water.
Yeah, cheap water.
Or I just go to your house and hook up and. Is that tree a special tree?
Which one? It's one of the special trees that we grow here. That grow here in Botswana. It's got thorns though, but it makes nice shades. Very
Shade.
nice.
This is what they were trying to sell, shade trees.
Shade trees, yes.
Yeah.
It depends. But this one just grow naturally. You don't have to plant them. They just grow naturally. Because in most of the bushes, it's there. So what you do is just to cut it to the way you want. As you can see, it's already shaped. Even that one is chips, but they produce very nice shades. It's a must to have a tree in your house, like in your yard, because mostly they sit under the trees. House shade, yes, it's nice, but not nicer and cooler like having a tree.
So let's walk to the soccer game. So now it really gets wet here, a lot of water. But they're not thinking of paving this at all. Not really.
Not as yet, I think.
You could.
Maybe in the near future.
Your mother is something else.
They can scream, huh? That's how it is. They'll be like, hello, yeah. That's how they do it in the villages. The kind of communication.
Yeah. Oh, look at this community. So they're building a lot here for the family. So I just get my block cement, dig down, hire some local workers. Let's say 10 US a day for them to work, probably. They don't hear reggae music around here, do they?
No. It's just some individuals that listen to reggae music, but not all of them.
Okay, Jamaica, this is going to be our home.
This is the kind of entertainment
Yeah.
that they do around the village.
Freedom. 100% freedom. No crime or little crime at all.
No.
Is that a radio antenna or a cell phone?
It's a radio. Somebody must have plugged some.
Yeah. They're curious whenever they see recording. Right? Wonderful.
This is the kind of entertainment.
They got the red dirt. People here are like the people from up north. They're darker. The people here.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's rare to find a light-skinned person. Very rare, especially on the side of the country.
People under the shades over there. And people in the shades over there.
Yeah, there.
So a piece of land like this, how much you think it would cost? Like probably 20,000, or probably less.
So when it's in the land like this, maybe this piece of land would be like 25,000, 35,000.
US.
No, pula.
So this is 2,500 pula. This is about 5 acres.
Yeah.
Okay. Really?
Yes. Yes.
Oh boy. Okay, things just got real here. It's time to learn the language, huh? Time to learn the language.
Just to slice the meat from the bones, then we eat the bones, then that's when we dry the meat like this. That's when you can keep the meat from
Goat meat?
goat meat, yes. That's when you can keep it maybe for a month. If it's dry like this, you can keep it in the house for a month or two. So that's how you can keep your meat for a long. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Papi, o ska tla kwa.
Just put it there, boy. That was the field. He said he planted. No, now because of the fence, when the fence is not fit enough, that's when now the goats, the cows, and then they eat.
What's in the field?
No, do you think? No, do you think?
He had planted corn. Corn.
It was beans and corn.
Your field. His field.
So he has given Papa to come and take this spot. The next spot, the other side.
Papa's going to plant it.
Yes.
That's who's really choosing.
Still.
That's his field?
Yes.
So basically, you would need pipe to run by water and pump it.
Normally here it's very rare for somebody to do that. Normally you just using rain. Apart from rain, they never use pipes, they never use anything, because those who are using those things, it's about 1,000 kilometers far from here. More especially the whites.
The whites?
The whites, those are the ones, they are plowing, using the pipes and the water. They're using, and they are digging the what do you call it? The boreholes. They're digging the boreholes so that they can plant the
Oh, they dig for water.
They dig for water.
Then they pump.
Then they put the engine so that the engine can water the garden. So here in this location or in this side of Botswana, most of them are very lazy. They never plow big net, and just small as you can see. You just plowing that because now I'm just using rain only. I'm just using rain only. They cannot use water from that. Just using rain only. That is why we are not plowing big.
So when the rain falls, they don't catch the water.
No. It's there and there, but they're catching water.
But if there was a big tank, they could catch more water to then pump it out.
Yes.
And plant more.
And plant more. It's only that where I originate in Kenya, it's very far. But some of the fields in Kenya, when they dig a hole, it's called something like a pool. Then that thing like a pool is covered with some
metal.
It's covered with some metals, then they cement on top, and they are doing that thing next to the house. Yes,
a tank.
So that when the rain comes,
it's
full it up. So we never have lack water in those the villages the side. They never lack water. It's not like the side. But this side, we're digging it. It was even a government thing. We were doing that for the poor people and some other people were giving something to put on top. But this side, they don't have it. So I like just to buy a tank and put it here for water. It's there and there. It's very rare. You can't do it.
Take one. So all of this land is Papa's?
Yes.
All of this?
Yes. Up to there, where you enter. Up to where we enter.
Where will we plant the tree?
I think it's better here in the house. It's better here somewhere here. So that auntie, it will be cheaper for auntie to water it. I get it out. Who can answer you? I'll home well at this time. It's okay. How much to learn?
That side is the side of the toilet. Can you push come this side?
This is a pit.
No, it used to be a house. That's a foundation. It's a foundation.
This side of this side of the toilet is better the side. Put your car. Our car is side your toilet. Even here can be nice. Anyway, here, somewhere here. Anyway, can be nice.
Go and stand next to that house there. See what's inside.
Go on there.
You're actually taller than the house.
That house, bye. That house. I think the chicken side is staying inside. In and out.
He's inside. He is inside.
Inside. Coming outside. Hey, outside is going to be a problem. Let him out.
Yeah.
So it never leaks.
It leaks.
It leaks?
It's old now.
But before it wouldn't leak.
No.
So with this, how long does this last
For many years.
for? 30.
Yeah. Malome. Tata mogolo. Motsa gore ntse ena le lebaka le le ka yafi. Ena le lebaka le le ka yafi. Years. 1987. This house has been there since 1987.
We'll put something around. Put your fence around.
They are making a hole for the tree that Ronnie is gonna plant today with the help of the family members. As you can see, it's time to plant a tree in Africa. Yes. Bona magadi le ra. Ke sanka mo tlogel o batla go gata ha batho o batla go gata the kind of respect. Yes, please.
Yeah, Lisa, what's
Pumpkin, come this side.
Randy, plant a tree.
Yes.
Mama, rapa la tlaka kwa.
See, okay.
Mama, tla o eme ha ke pele.
Come in.
Mm.
Keep it going.
When how's that picture? Papa, come. Stand here with me. Kana ya ko go nema o papa. Ya ko go nema ska ya hale papa. Eh, pota ka. Ya ka, ya ka.
I'll dig my own hole. I'll dig it myself.
Put the picture recorder.
You gotta take the pictures, make sure it's on. You should go control the camera to take the picture. Do it. You gotta do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you wanna make sure it works.
What's that? How about you? Puna, tlogela.
Mango tree. One no good, it's a good tree.
Di kologelang ka ga go ene ka gale ke
Mo poteng ka hamara. Mo poteng ka go mara go abu. Mo poteng ka go mara go ka abuti ka. Ha re lo a jama. Mo poteng ka hamara. Mo poteng ka hamara go ka hala abuti. Mo poteng ka hamara. Sia palo, siang, Neima. Tamale go bona lodi, ya go bona dipudi ke tse di pala malodi. Tamale go bona dipudi. Yang go ita dipudi. Iska tsa ita siang. Oh. Yang go ita kana dipudi ke tse. Tamale go kana dipudi. Downy.
Yes.
Hata ba go tla, a tlo mma fa e tla. Le mma ngwana ga ba re ba mo tsile.
We're gonna need some water, right? No?
Water. Corre fata. What I have to come. Yeah, need a bit of water when you drop it down so that soil should connect.
Yeah.
Mama.
Where's
That
the
was
tree?
that. Go da. Camera. Keta camera. Ga se ko moraga bu. Es ko moraga ga passenger seat. Unlock button. Let's see how deep it gets.
Well, big enough so the roots can, the young roots can go in, you know? You leave the dirt in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave some little bit of soil in there. I'm more on what that one got of attire. There's the tree, it's arriving from Mama to Ron.
Can we take the plastic off?
Handing over the tree. Mama, get your hands off the plastic of the tree.
Don't everybody sing or something?
Yay!
Yeah, thank you very much. Woo, love. Woo, love. It's like hey, make it. It has shifted aside. Put it straight. The tree, it has shifted aside. Yes.
Maybe we should make it higher.
We can put it salt
Let me
inside.
help you.
Soil under.
Yes, it's okay. Small size, this size. Not small.
Oh, Sarah, yes, what door? Sarah, let's put it here.
You see what Auntie is saying? Auntie is saying, I don't want the street to have a problem. I don't want. I respect this.
Bare la re ke sign. Ne ku tle le bua la re sign mona magadi ore. Meaning what?
The tree that is bearing.
It bears fruits.
It bears fruit, yeah.
Oh,
When it
okay.
bears fruit, it means sesena mahadi.
Okay,
When
it's
the
a
one
what?
that
It's a
is not
female
bear-
fruit.
It's a female fruit.
Okay.
Yeah,
Tree.
They differ.
Oh, you made the right choice then. It's a female tree, not a male tree. So it's
Yeah.
gonna bear fruits.
Yes.
So well done, buddy. Well done.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is for Anais.
Uh-huh.
Mama.
It's for Jamaica.
Jamaica, yes.
This is for family.
Yes.
It's for Africa.
Yes.
Hope you guys plant more trees.
Yes, we'll do that. We'll follow. That's the first tree.
Yeah.
And the first cut is the deepest cut, which we should follow this one. The first cut.
Neymar,
Yes. It's okay.
Neymar,
I need to put more. It's okay.
go
Because
on,
that manure one shouldn't have to be very far.
What's that guy, man?
Boy.
Tree. Arrive. Jamaica, we are now in Botswana. Make sure you bear fruit so that Jamaican people must come here and eat their
And
food.
harvest.
Because they are supposed to come here and harvest their tree. We also are supposed to live here to Jamaica to go and make the same thing there. Come in there, Jamaica. Thank you.
Say high five.
Good. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you so much.
Good day for our country.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I learned.
It's too much.
It's
Okay,
a
more
bonding
time.
initiation.
Hey,
I grew up in Jamaica with these.
I grew up in Jamaica where they grew up. So he knows more about this.
Oh,
They are from Jamaica where he grew up.
it's time for the sunset.
Sunset?
Yes, you can't miss this. Come this side. It's here.
Okay. Sorry about the water.
Yeah, no, use for this.
We will use it
You
for
use it for this, Mama?
Hey, Auntie.
Thank you.
Auntie.
Take pictures of this, Ree?
Yes.
Close up. Oh, look, you get the sunset every day.
Yeah. Especially this side. Especially this side.
Asa, come. Asa is digging.
So the sun will, the sun
12 o'clock, we'll hit the tree, yeah? So you're gonna put a fence around it for me?
Yes.
No ghosts. I'll send me.
Before you go.
Thanks so much.
Before you go, you cut me. Hape le ha sa face bona. Le ha sa face bona. Di tlhatsana tse tsa tse di.
Ya, wa tolo tolo. Wa di ena le, no tlhomela ele.
Go le gone. Two.
Ya la ka tsamaisa. Ya go to tsa go tsa jarta yo.
Ya wena o iketela ho tsala wa ntsa. Bana gona re ja. You know what he's saying, uncle? Uncle is saying immediately when we left. Uncle is saying immediately when we left. It's going to take.
Okay. That's very important. That's grow wealth in the country.
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. You touch that, everything breaks apart.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hey.
Thank you, brother. Why you didn't bring money for alcohol? Celebration. Thank you, Tutu. Uncle knows that there's money under there.
You know what? Uncle is staying here alone. Hey. Hey.
We're gonna be wealthy. We're sending you money to protect that tree. We said if this tree grows big, many people will come to see it from all over the world. Yeah?
He's saying that that is the biggest job ever.
There's going to be thousands of people coming. Where is Ronnie tree?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
That video?
Because
That video goes to 5,000 people when I get home. 5,000.
Yes.
So a lot of people say, oh, I want to go visit the tree.
The tree, yes.
Huh? We said tell them we're sending the money to take care of it.
Mama, can I say something?
Okay.
Ndate mogolo Ronnie a re wa gonna a go romella madi gore o tlhokomele setlhare. He's simply gonna be sending you money and the aunt so that you can come all the time. Le tla go nosetsa setlhare.
A re setlhare se ke peo ya go ga bone ya ka a dira video ya gae ka go romela go gae go tla go ba bontsha go ba netegaletsa gore go Botswana ke na rena le peo kana rena le moruti ha re le moruti teng ha re tla go regela dipeo ya no go ha kana lapa le e tle go nna magorogelo a bone ke nngwe ya ditswa go re ditsatlholego ike lapa le itse go tswa lengwe la di mo go bidiwa go ditsatlholego tsa bone ba ke go bona ditsatlholego tsa Botswana ya ema. So I was telling them that this house or this place is one of the places that the Jamaican people there is going to be one of their culture thing or one of their nature thing, because when they came here, this place is one of the places that they're supposed to step in here because of this tree.
This is a Jamaican tree.
This is a Jamaican tree.
So they're all gonna come.
Yes.
And they're gonna.
Yes. Auntie is saying it's because of the health-wise. Apart from that, you could have rebuilt this house so that when Jamaican came, they should find this culture house, because it's nice when they find this tree and this culture house also, so that they should have a culture with this place or a place to.
Okay.
So more of the
So
culture
we
thing.
rebuild it.
How much
is to rebuild it?
He's talking about it.
Yeah.
We'll discuss. We'll discuss it.
We'll discuss that. That's
We'll
good. So we'll
discuss.
rebuild it.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. A ro batla e tswisiwa. O batla e tswisiwa.
And then we'll get a Jamaica flag. Put it on it.
A ro batla e tswisiwa.
Now it's a Jamaica.
You'll communicate with you about the structure. You'll communicate with
Maybe
you.
The box and just.
No, it won't be anything. Every piece as nice as it is, it's nice. So, it's a time. Yes. We'll attend. And she was saying, after rebuilding the wall, so this church house or whatever, this grass will antenne it, and when you antenne it, it is. So everything is still strong. So you will just put a few, you buy few to read. Papa was saying you shouldn't have to use time. We should use like what about something you like at Abona level? Oh, to be a move. What about two?
Good. This is it. Remember I told you I was going to build a Jamaican house? Did I tell you?
Yeah.
So this, let me tell them. So. Okay. So this is Ronnie Ponder for SaveJamaica.com. So the trip to Africa was to establish a place in Africa that's peaceful for our people to come and visit. So we plant our first tree here. We now have a house in Africa, and we're going to build this house as the Jamaican house with that tree. This will start the process of us coming home to Africa, establishing land with other Botswana. So this is now our future and our bond with Botswana, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Africa. We did it. We have a tree, Jamaica. Randy give you a tree, and Randy give you a house. Thank you, Botswana.
Thank you.
You want to say something?
Uncle.
Yeah, no.
You want to say something?
You will understand what I'm saying in your country. No, ka sa rona ka Setswana. Sa rona sa go tsalwa mo Botswana. Re leboga gore e be re kopane le reo wa Jamaica. So at Mr. Ron. So o re kwale o re jweletse setlhare ha. Mo lehelong la ditso tsa batsadi ba rona ba robetseng e banga lehelo le ke batho ba saleng ba robetse ka gore ke batho ba re sotse ba re belege ya re mohile ntlo ye gore nya ke one ya ma Jamaica ke ya ma Jamaica tara ba ntse ba taka kwano ba tata ba ntse ba ta go bona se go gola ga sethare se ntlo re tla e tlhabolola le tare le ntse le taka kwa le tata le bona ntlo e. What I'm trying to say to Jamaica people in behalf of you. So I'm saying, no, lucky enough to have a man like you from Jamaica. So, you plant a tree for mango here. that we'll look for it here until we grow up. And then this house is our culture house, but now we'll try to renew it to look smart. That these people from Jamaica, every time and again when they come to see this house and they come to see this tree. And so, yeah. Thank you very much.
Yes. Randy did it again. You gotta believe in Randy. Let's go. It's time to go, Jamaicans. Cut. We're out.
Ronnie. All this big land is his. All this.
Right now, I'm hanging out with the king them
Let's go. You want
in
to
Botswana, the reggae
Yeah, with daddy.
dancehall massive.
Yeah.
Just fried some
Reggae
chicken
massive crew, yeah.
and living the life, you know, in Botswana.
Take off.
See the chicken.
Take off. Come. Take off. Take off. Take off.
So the I respect, send out greetings to the world.
Yeah, man. Greetings to all of them people out there, man.
JD, say hello.
This is a GT massive.
Yeah, big
This
up.
is the West Indian, 19 years he representing Africa
Another
with
one
GT.
spot.
And he didn't plant a tree. Look
He's
at
the
that.
one who planted
This is
the
how
tree.
Jamaicans do, you know. We go,
You need to take
we
care
come.
of
Yeah,
that.
well.
Yeah, man. We should visit that tree every year.
GT has to now come plant a tree. We have to come. You couldn't plant a tree unless a Jamaica plant a tree.
Yes, sir. Africa
So
United.
now, the Trini, if you're from Trinidad, you have to represent Haiti. Come on. This GT going to plant his tree next. Haiti. Come on, my brethren. Yeah? Come on, Haiti. Trinidad, where are you, my lord? We are waiting for the
Botswana
people.
massive, we're
Botswana,
here, man.
Cape Town.
Yeah, man.
We're going to buy some land and we're going to have a vibe. Zion Festival is coming. Big fires.
Man, yeah, man.
What is going on?
Yeah, man.
They're burning down the world.
Yeah, the sky is on fire, man.
Babylon going to fall when 100 fire light. Boom! Straight. So watch out for Zion Festival. Africa
Yeah.
Unite.
Africa Unite.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
The
That's
Haitians,
key, man.
Jamaicans, GT Massive, getting a plane ticket, saving the money, tent, fire, food,
Fire.
vibe,
Bonfire.
woman,
Yeah, man.
music, big speaker, government approval, the biggest party in world history.
Right here, man.
Right here in Botswana.
Here in Botswana.
So prepare for
Yeah.
that. It's coming. Cape
Yeah,
Town, you know some I love you.
Diva Entertainment,
Man called
yeah,
Teba,
the local
my
league.
brother with the Africa, and we are gonna do it big.
Big, yeah.
Zion Festival, get your tent ready, Africa Unite. Yeah? Give thanks for come through, my virgin. This is the initiation
Yeah,
of the
man.
vibration.
Ross Channel.
The GT massive them have to come too.
I representing I man there. Peace and love. Say bye, JD. Say bye.
Everybody. Give thanks to the creations and all planets and all stars.
Dark cheesy
and all
chicken.
living things. Reunite us today. Zulu, Jamaicans, GT, we're waiting on the Asians and the Trinis. Give thanks.
That's a prayer.
This is jerk chicken.
Yes. Yes, I'm in Africa with my brethren. Yeah. And the music plays on.
Africa, man. Yes. Belong years back. This is the man that you'll buy your car from for your summer vacation. You know, so this car right here, how many miles?
This one in miles, I'm not quite sure in miles, but in kilometers is about 85,000 Ks. Yeah, 85,000 Ks. Is a Golf 6 TSI, 2009 model. Yeah, it's a little bit juicy, fast enough. Yeah, it's a little sexy also, nice sexy car.
Yeah.
Yeah, unisex, suit the boys, suit the girls.
Yeah.
More especially the ladies.
I love it, man.
Yeah.
So you sell cars and you're from the Caribbean, huh?
Yeah.
That's how you made your living in Africa.
Yeah. Why you don't put on my slippers?
You know, it's funny. First time you said to me, "Wear your slippers," I never.
Come on, man. You need to put on a slipper.
I had my slippers.
They are here. Yeah, you never walk outside without the slippers. You can see inside. Very classy.
Nice.
Very
This is
classy.
automatic.
Yes, all the cars here, 95% of them they are auto. Yeah, 95% they are auto. Yeah. And this is the.
You said how much does this cost?
This one, you will get it for about $4,800.
Wow, this has a lot of space here.
Yes, it's a little bit spacious.
On top of the legs and everything. Nice.
$4,800. So when you are back in Africa, you need to come and see Mr. Q, the one and only man from GT, who will give you anything you want in terms of transportation. I'll be the one to hook you up so that you can roll, okay? You'll be rolling through me.
Give thanks.
Peace.
I hit record right there. Say, yo, this is
I didn't know if
this is the dirty boy I come through. Is that my music, Q? Is that my music? Is that my music?
Now I know you can drive to Cairo just listening to that, man.
Is that boy Q playing my music, you know? So now, you see I'm recording, right? Yes.
Mute.
Oh!
Thank you for spending time with us.
Hey!
Appreciate.
That's
This is
Nigeria.
for Mama.
Hey!
Give Mama
Hey!
and tell Mama that this is our culture. We'll go and dress one or two and Kumo. We'll go and dress to show you so that Mama should know how much. You can open it and see for Mama.
Oh.
This is for the for Anna.
Hey!
This is our culture. So these are culture things and the flag as well. This is for our son Ron.
Hey!
That's
That's how they do
we
in
want him
Nigeria.
to enter our culture so that next time when we come here to Botswana,
Hear this.
you should know that Botswana has something like this. So you should show them their home.
Oh.
They're in Botswana. This is the culture. I was there, the family from Daisy and Demon family.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate
This is from
this.
Daisy and Demon family. This is for Mama. Go and tell Mommy that she should wear like this. She should wear like this. This is for Mama. Mama must wear this is our culture wear. So Mama must wear like this.
Very nice.
Hey!
Mama must wear like this. You see?
Yeah.
Then
Oh, that's
wrap and
nice.
tie like this.
And
This
pick
is for
up
Mama.
orders also,
And
brother.
Mama. This is for
Pick
Mama.
up orders.
Then he took this. Then this is the culture. It's Mama supposed to
That's
put like
easy.
this. That's how Mama's supposed to put it.
Oh.
Like this.
Or she can wear
This
other stuff.
culture for Mama. So Mama must do like this. Then he wrap herself
Also,
again. That's how Mama is supposed to wear. So go and tell Mama that we love her so much. That is her why we are giving her our culture. That's the biggest respect or honor. Giving the culture way.
Oh, wow.
That's for Mama.
I really appreciate it.
Mama. This is for Mama.
This is Anna. This is
This
yours.
is for Anna.
Wow.
Oh,
That's an original thing, right?
That's
Thank you
the culture
guys.
thing.
Did the other two daughters have anything to do with it?
Yes.
Yes, the whole family.
Oh, okay.
Join hands, the whole
I'm
family.
watching that.
Yes.
I thought it's only Mama.
The whole family,
No.
we agree on
The
doing
taste
Oh,
it.
means,
okay.
the taste means,
Hey,
and the
we
lemon
agree on
means,
doing
Including
it.
this bagger.
including
So-
Mr. Palo. Okay, thank you.
The two have anything?
Diana.
Yes,
Tutu is a part
you
of
were
this.
both it.
Oh, this is my shirt?
Ah.
Hey! This is what I
There
came
you
for.
go.
You have one of this?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do.
Now, when you reach for there,
Oh,
tell them
this is
this is
big.
the country you are.
Oh, hey!
That's
This is the country
Yeah.
you
Oh,
are.
boy, I tell you, I
So
get
what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our signatures
Our
there, and then you
signatures
can
on the
frame
flag.
that when you get home.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this,
Our
man. This is
signatures
what
on
I'm
this
talking
plate.
about.
Yeah.
Ah, Mama, this is
Papa
good.
said it. Unfortunately, Papa
What?
didn't manage because of the duty.
Oh, he had to drive?
He had to drive to a far distance. He's still
Oh,
not
wow, I
on the
love
way.
this. I love
Yeah, you can
this.
just feed yourself, no problem.
I love it.
Feed yourself.
I should wear this on
Yes,
the,
go
I should
to
wear
the-
this on the train. They
Go
see me.
to the room
No.
and feed
Yeah, real
yourself.
African, man.
No rubbing.
Feed
They can't,
yourself and check.
they
when
can't
I
rub
check
me
it.
with
Not
this.
at all.
Please go and feed yourself.
Let me go fit myself.
Hey!
Hi there, Miss Tuella.
Ma?
Neto. Oh. Warm it. Just you are on TV. You're making noise. You see what you are doing. Kinjiri, you are going to be shown in a moment. Say hi.
Hey, Papa. Blocking the way even.
Tell him you are the general. Tell him you are
I'm
the
the
general.
general of this house.
Yeah,
Of
the
the
general.
states.
Hmm.
Pumpkin. Pumpy.
Hey!
Wow.
I was feeling a little tight here.
It fits you perfect.
I was feeling a little tight. Yeah?
I
Perfect.
can't believe this.
Is it
It's
tight?
It's too big.
it's
Not that much.
Very
Too
nice.
small.
That much.
No, it's okay. Just that the material. It has to be like this.
Yes.
It has to
Say,
be like this.
let Lila and
Chana, chana,
so that you can do the same thing.
Hey!
I can't believe this.
I love it.
We can.
Oh, you have your dress on. This is.
Hey, the same material as
Oh,
Mama.
finally, she show up as a queen.
Yes.
Oh.
Charlie,
Don't be jealous, boy. So that's how you fit. I'm gonna have to work out, cause hey. So that's how it works.
Hey, no, you lose a bit on the a bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Maya,
Hey, more macaroni.
Is it?
By the way, open that thing up.
Go on, I'm going to get parts. Get the piece in
You lose a bit.
This is a good fabric. This is how the men wear it.
Yes.
I got mine also.
It's called a Mandela
Put on
shirt.
yours.
But it's tight.
Yours is tight.
I grow, yeah. I think it's tight.
Oh, this
That
is
one
how
with-
the
When
men
you
wear
have flowers.
it. This
It's
is how
called-
the men wear it.
Flame.
Yeah, it's called a Mandela shirt.
Yeah.
I should wear this flag.
Yes. Because they are
Oh,
taking
okay,
it off
okay.
culture thing.
Okay.
You mean
I don't know
the,
now.
which flag?
Botswana
So you don't wear this in
When I
public?
get married.
You can.
You wait.
Oh, that Bots 50 t-shirt.
Hey,
Hey.
one way so that they should make picture. You see? Picture them.
Put him in the middle.
Hey!
Hey,
Am I too
culture.
loud? My Nigerian is too loud?
Hey, culture.
You should have never let me see that movie.
Culture. Tell mommy what that's how culture is.
Are you taking pictures here?
Nicely.
Hey.
Then
Thank you.
Wait, I'm not. The general is not yet.
Did you
eh,
get
nthabongwa.
Thank you.
Yeah, carry.
Fui.
I love this shirt. I love it. Did you have your people make it?
Yeah.
Or you bought it?
No.
it?
I want a material and give it to I want a material and give it to both of them, even all these things.
My brother's gonna be jealous. Oh, when I wear this in New York, the women are gonna say, "Hey!"
Botswana woman will ask you
Look at
to
this.
get this.
Lou, when I wear this, they're gonna say,
Let me show you at the wedding we'll be working like this. Go like and they'll be seeing you.
"Oh, like Mandela."
Hey.
Hey! So this is called the Mandela shirt. Okay. Oh, I see. This is good. It has good breathing top. Give you a little breathing here. The material is very strong.
Yes.
Very strong. You know,
Mine?
so you can wear this to dinner.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Anyway.
So do they make this in different colors, like different patches, like orange and white?
Yes.
They do have orange. They do have
And you can do this too? Like when you have, when you, can you do this? When you walk with the lady and put the hands in there?
Yes, yes. You wear this,
You do like this?
hey, you go to work.
And you say, "Hey!"
I like it.
That movie got me going. Oh, this is good, man. This is the life you live in, Q. You got nice shirts like this?
Yeah, I got two actually.
You got two?
Yeah, tight ones.
Orange and green? They come in green too?
Mm-hmm.
You wear this with a black
mine is
pants.
blurry.
It's black.
Blurry.
That means the camera
You rock them.
it's not settled.
All the way.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
because
not
you don't
settled.
get this in New York.
Yeah, you will tell them
This is,
all
this,
the
is,
way.
this is very refined. You know, for me, I would just establish my workout and come.
Come, everybody.
Come.
Everybody.
Come.
Everybody.
You use this
Everybody.
phone.
Yo.
Have her take a picture.
Baby, come and stand here.
Love you,
Una.
love you,
Una.
love you.
Come and stand here now.
Have to give
Come, fast.
I'm auntie.
Papi, come and stand here. Leave the toys. Leave the toys.
Ya no galotseng kumo ga o tsene.
Tsamaya le wena, mama.
Don't let me say hey.
Give video. Give video. How does snap
I'm not gonna do it.
It's taking picture itself.
Turn it like this, Matisse.
Matisse.
Hey, to
Well,
offer
let
with
me
Matisse
know.
and that phone. She didn't touch anything.
This is
And this one is high mileage.
And it's blurry again.
Press it in the middle.
Fui.
Taking pictures. It's doing what?
Mama, tsama go tsena mo teng.
Putting faces on the box.
Kota ka ga Q.
No, Mama, stand up.
Mama, emela ka.
Hashtag village girl.
Because it won't be nice.
Village woman.
Mama.
Stand up.
No.
Okay, let me take you guys now.
The
Give
woman
me-
from the village.
From the village.
Ronnie, these videos you sent to me, right?
Mm-hmm. You take it with the white button, right?
No, she's taking,
yeah.
this one is a video.
It's
And
the
the
white
juice-
button is
It
also
does both.
taken.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Even yours, brother.
Alright.
Mama, Syria.
No,
Yes,
Okay, go with mommy.
Come. Yeah.
It was a great visit. It was the best visit.
Listen to Uncle. What Uncle is saying. Yes. Yes. Hey, thank you.
Fresh.
Hey.
Smile, Papa.
Hey, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Hello. Hello. No. Hello, Daddy. No. See.
Wait.
No.
He's taking photos also.
Oh, if I wear this, oh Lord, kill them.
That tight. I know that tight. That men they don't want to wear tight. Just that men they don't want to wear tight things. Us ladies is my eyes is mama for you.
What you saying? Hey!
Like this.
So you said that's good. It's just that men don't do
There's
that.
an allowance to put a breast inside
Yes.
if you want to.
Okay. So if I work out,
You want to go where?
my chest might get bigger.
Yeah, that's the thing now.
Yeah?
So you need to,
You don't have
you need to really wait when you get to New York.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
Like wait.
Okay, I love it. I
Yeah.
love it. It's very
If
if I
you can
go to dinner,
prepare.
I'm gonna have to send you more money for a lot more of these.
No problem.
Do they
But
have
you need to
the
take
white
the side.
one?
Now I was just, which means,
blue.
you know what?
It's blue,
I was
it's red.
just, yes. You know what size is this? Size 46.
Oh, 47.
Battery low?
Yeah, I made size 46. No, you still make size 46, but you will make a bit on the side. I expand it a bit. But still 46.
46 is the length? What
The length and the width, the whole body
is 46.
weight 46, yeah. I just tell him that according to how I look at him, might have used 46,
Not 47.
not 47. I said might be 46 measurement.
Ke was anxiety di nepa di nthaketse brazil. Otherwise,
Do you have
What
anybody
I
in the family that's 46?
Is it right to take your photo?
They did around 40.
o batla go mokokomela ka
That is why I was
teng.
saying.
How much is it?
Yes. Hey, pick Papa Fisho here. That is why I was saying he must use 40.
You have to-
But they didn't
I love
You
it.
have to make sure you
Ngwana wa
wait
go
when you
batla wena o
get
ntse o
to
dira
New York before you pump up.
It's very good.
Or else,
Where before I pump up?
no,
Yeah.
I mean like you have to make use of it. Wait, like wait.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy it. Because if you can,
Hey, la
like,
mama.
put it
And then you say it for special occasions. No, then you
don't keep it in the local.
Kyler.
Don't keep it in the
Don't keep
local.
it in the local.
No, what I want to do is to get more, so I can wear it more often.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can
Colors.
change.
Oh, okay, no
And I
problem.
want to know what variations you have.
It's this blue,
Yeah.
this red,
Blue,
this
red.
the other
So many
blue.
colors.
This
So
blue
many
is
different
blue,
blue.
like our
Black
flag,
blue.
like
Eh,
our flag,
this blue.
like this flag.
Mm.
Then there is green,
Brown,
brown.
yellow,
Just that they differ with these decorations.
decorations.
But it's, actually, you see that skirt which Kuma is wearing. It's a
It's a
different,
different
yeah,
material.
yeah.
Different cloth.
I love it. I think this is what I.
Wait.
It's really take it that.
Ke apara la ga mmago. Ugly photos.
No, I'm taking. It's recording. This one is recording.
You zoom in.
I should zoom.
Come take a picture. Oh, I like the big pin, Mama.
Now I'm comfortable. Mommy. Hi, mommy.
Zaba.
Ngwana o rata attention yo.
Zaba.
Wa re ke tsa ga bang?
Culture.
Di bana ba itsa. Di thoete di tletse mo teng ga jarata ke tsa ngwana o motona.
Zaba.
We started feeding. Oh, you're just relating for me.
Relating in our culture.
Mama. Hey,
You are the one, the only one left aside.
Rats and cats.
Mama, shoot that.
Come, let's take a picture.
New friends now. No, friends first when it's culture.
My big friend.
Your biggest friend.
Big time Africa.
Big time culture.
Yes, Zion Fest.
Hey, you are dangerous. Big time.
Hey!
Hey, Lobola Day. If it's Lobola Day, you wear like
What was
this.
your bakaja?
Yes. Lobola Day. You wear like this. When it's Lobola Day, you wear like this.
You were not for Taka.
Me, I'm dangerous.
Lobola Day, you wear like this. And you are going to end Lobola.
As a question, what was it?
Yes.
So you come, you visit, you stay somewhere, and they give you tours. You learn, you learn, you learn, you learn.
That's very true.
Then it's safe here in Botswana. One thing
Very safe.
I love about
Though some other families are cruel or whatever, but my family or my house, really it's a peaceful house.
yeah,
Really, if anybody who want to come to Botswana, just go through Ron. He'll tell you more about me. He'll tell me more about my family. I know that you'll arrive well. You'll be safe. You'll see Botswana. You'll enjoy everything. Because the Bible is saying children of God are blood relationship. We are blood relationship. There is land, there is everything.
yeah,
Any dream that we have there in New York, we want to put it here in Botswana. Feel free. Come by Ron. Ron will show you the way home. Because here he's with us home. He has been relaxing, he has been feeling free, he has been with the family. I don't think there's any complaint. Is there any complaint?
no.
He has never complained. So, if anything, he will let you know. But I hope he's leaving Botswana today with a very free-minded, with a happy heart.
Yes.
So, Jamaica, New York, you're free to come. But I've got a son here as well. I've got a son here as well. Even now, we are happy, but our hearts are broken because we didn't want to part. Because really, he's a loving son. He's a very loving son. But I know that with God, all things are possible. And I know that he's still going to meet. The journey has started because there is a Jamaica house there in our land. It's a Jamaica or New York house. Secondly, there is a tree there. We want to bear fruits that are coming from the hands of New York or from the hands of Jamaica. So New York, Jamaica, expect me to take care of your tree. I'm taking care of your tree. And I will always communicate with you to let you know how your tree is growing. I will send the pictures every now and then to show you how the tree is growing. Thank you so much, Jamaica. Thank you so much, New York. I love your son. I love your son. I love your son. He's a loving son.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, so Jamaica, you see that Jamaica. So now here's the deal. It's a learning process, and we take our time, but Botswana is peaceful. And that's why I love it. It's the best place to retire. is the best place to create a base. A lot of places have different crimes and stuff. This is the most relaxing, easiest place. So I'll teach you more. You see the email. Email me at jatalkradio@gmail.com. jatalkradio@gmail.com to find out more about making your trip. We have family down here in Africa, so don't feel like you're alone anymore. All right. Blessings, love to you and your family. All right. Take care. Later.
Pula.
Pula.
What in it?
Papa
Where
it's called Papa what you call that one? Mashed chicken. Boneless chicken.
What do you know?
So
we're gonna miss you.
until next time.
Yeah. Welcome, same time, same place. Not same place. Different year.
Yes, sir. Next year. Thanks. Love.
Zanaka. Lo. La. I'm telling you, guys give thanks. Always buckle up, because in Jamaica, we cannot afford seatbelt. All right? Gas, sometimes we go halfway and push halfway. That's why we bring a lot of people in the car, so we have enough people to push.
Assist, yeah.
Yes. So you have lights here. We have Peony Wally in front of the car flying.
Yes.
It's yours lights. Oh, you got high beams? We don't have high beams.
Oh yeah?
No, we use our battery for electricity at the house. So we save up the battery for electricity.
Okay.
So you're using your battery power right now? We're gonna save that up
Okay.
for the house. Because when we get to the house, we gotta use the car battery. So,
Are you serious?
hey, it's tough. It's tough. Give thanks for what you have.
Give thanks and praise.
Give thanks for what you have. You have family in the back. People in Jamaica, they don't talk in the back because they're hungry.
Damn.
You can't talk on a hungry stomach. No.
Yeah,
Gotta save your energy.
push the car when it stops.
Yeah. Look at this guy running. In Jamaica, they can't run like this in the night. That's too much energy.
But Bolt is actually fast.
This is a good. This is Botswana. This is Botswana. This is Africa right now. We're driving through the nightlife with the family in the back, speaking Botswana, Dumelang Ma and Dumelang Ra. Right? And that one is the shopkeeper.
You didn't die
Okay.
I did not finish the
Yo, the Jamaican them say,